Welcome back to Everyday English Tales. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with us again.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back for another lesson. Thank you all for tuning in and learning English with us.
Today, we have a very useful and fun topic, especially for beginners who want to talk about their everyday lives in English.
Exactly. We're going to learn how to describe a typical day, the things we all do from morning until night. It's one of the best ways to build vocabulary and practice speaking naturally.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends who are also learning English.
Yes, and we really enjoy reading your comments. Tell us about your daily routine in English. It's a great way to practice and connect with other learners.
So, Paul, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I usually wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. I'm not a big fan of alarms, but I set one just in case.
Oh, that's early. I usually wake up around 7. Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes before getting up.
Me too. I like to stretch a little before getting out of bed. That helps me feel more awake.
That's a good idea. So, after you wake up, what's next?
I go to the bathroom, of course. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes take a quick shower.
Great! Brush my teeth and wash my face. These are essential daily actions. Learners, try to repeat these phrases out loud.
Yes, repetition helps a lot. After that, I usually go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. What do you usually eat?
I normally have tea with cereal or toast. Sometimes I add fruit like an apple or banana.
Sounds healthy. I usually drink coffee and eat some toast with butter or jam. On weekends, I like to make pancakes.
Ooh, pancakes. That's a great weekend treat.
After breakfast, I get dressed. That means I choose my clothes for the day and put them on.
Right. And if I'm going out, I also put on my shoes and maybe a jacket or coat, depending on the weather.
Good phrases there. Put on shoes, put on a jacket. After that, I usually leave the house and go to work.
I do too. Sometimes I work from home, but other days I go to the office.
Working from home sounds comfortable.
It is, but it can also be a little lonely sometimes.
True. So, to review, in the morning, we can say, wake up, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush teeth, wash face, take a shower, make breakfast, eat breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work.
Exactly. Those are all essential verbs for beginners to master.
Now, let's talk about what happens during the day. Paul, what do you do at work?
Well, I usually sit at my desk and turn on my computer. Then I check my emails and reply to important ones.
Check emails and reply to emails. Very common expressions for office jobs.
Yes. I also attend meetings with my colleagues. Sometimes they're in person, but often they're online.
Online meetings are so common nowadays. I have them too.
Definitely. I also write lessons or prepare materials for my students.
That's great. When I'm at work, I usually write reports, answer phone calls, and sometimes help my coworkers with their projects.
Those are good examples of work-related verbs. Write reports, answer phone calls, help colleagues. Around lunchtime, I usually take a short break. What about you, Paul? I normally have lunch around 12:30. I might eat a sandwich, salad, or rice with vegetables.
That sounds tasty. I sometimes bring lunch from home, but I also enjoy going out to a small cafe nearby.
Nice. It's always good to take a short walk during lunch.
I agree. After lunch, I go back to work and continue until around 5 or 5:30.
Same here. Sometimes I listen to soft music while working. It helps me concentrate.
That's a good tip. Music can make work more enjoyable. So, what happens when the workday ends?
I usually go home. If the weather is nice, I might stop at a park for a short walk before heading home.
Oh, that sounds relaxing. I like to walk too, especially when the sun is setting.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind. When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and sit on the sofa.
Same here. Sit on the sofa and relax. That's what we all need after a long day.
Then I might turn on the TV and watch the news or a short show.
What kind of shows do you like to watch?
I like documentaries and travel programs. They're interesting and educational.
Nice. I usually watch cooking shows or movies. Sometimes I read a book instead.
Reading a book is a great way to practice English, too.
That's right. Even reading a few pages every night can really improve vocabulary.
After I relax a bit, I usually cook dinner.
What do you like to cook?
I often make pasta or soup. Sometimes I try something new like curry or stir fry.
That's great. I enjoy cooking too. On weekends, I love experimenting with new recipes from different countries.
That's fun. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Not my favorite task, but it has to be done.
Same here. Wash the dishes, another useful phrase. After that, I sometimes call my family or friends to chat.
Talking to friends and family is a nice way to end the day.
Yes. Or I listen to some music, something calm and peaceful before bed.
Me too. I often listen to soft jazz or nature sounds to relax.
So before going to bed, what do you do?
Before bed, I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and sometimes read for a few minutes.
I do the same. Reading helps me sleep better.
Then I turn off my phone and lights and go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
I usually sleep a little later, maybe around 11:30, but I try not to stay up too late.
That's a good habit. Getting enough sleep helps us feel better and stay focused the next day.
Absolutely. So to summarize, we talked about what we do from morning until night. Waking up, getting ready, going to work, having lunch, coming home, relaxing, and going to bed.
Let's quickly review some key verbs and phrases. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work, sit at a desk, check emails, write reports, have meetings, have lunch, go home, relax, watch TV, cook dinner, wash dishes, read a book, talk to family, go for a walk, listen to music, go to bed.
Perfect. These are everyday verbs you can use to talk about your life.
And here's a tip. Try writing about your day using these phrases. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and make breakfast. I go to work and have lunch at noon.
That's a great exercise. It helps you practice both writing and speaking.
Don't worry if you make small mistakes. What matters is that you keep trying.
Exactly. Learning English takes time, patience, and a little bit of daily practice.
Every day you learn something new, you're making progress, even if it feels small.
That's so true, Paul. Learning is like building a house, one brick at a time.
Beautifully said. Well, that's it for today's episode, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your daily routine.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Everyday English Tales, give this video a like, and share it with someone who's also learning English.
And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us about your day. We love reading your stories.
You can also tell us what topics you'd like us to cover next time. Maybe how to talk about your hobbies or how to describe your weekend.
Great ideas!
Until next time, keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, every word you learn brings you closer to fluency.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye for now.